Hello and welcome to another video on surds. This time we'll be looking at manipulating them, but just by using some of the things we've learned so far in this series and from some of the algebra principles. So let's start with an exercise here. Let's say we have 2 minus 3 square root 7, and then in another bracket here 4 square root 5 minus 3 square root 2. So you might remember from one of my algebra videos we looked at FOIL. So whereby we took the first term, multiplied with the first term of the next bracket, then we looked at the outer terms, then the inner terms, and then the last terms. So let's write that all out neat. So we will have 2 multiplied by 4 square root 5 plus 2 multiplied by, and then let's just open this bracket because I don't want to confuse the multiplication symbol with the minus symbol. And then we have 3 square root 7, minus 3 square root 7 multiplied by 4 square root 5 minus 3 square root 7 again multiplied by that minus 3 square root 2. Okay, so let's try and simplify some of these things then. So 2 multiplied by 4 square root 5 is 8 of those square root 5s essentially. And then we have the 2 multiplied by the minus 3 gives us the minus 6 square root 2. And then we have the minus 3 multiplied by 4, so that gives us minus 12. And then we have the 5, and I'm just writing them in numerical order. So square root 5 multiplied by the square root 7, and then we have minus 3 multiplied by minus 3 is a plus 9, square root 2, square root 7. What else can we do? Okay, so we still have the first 2 terms as they are, so let's write those out. Then we will have minus 12 multiplied by 5 times 7 plus 9 square root 2 multiplied by 7, and that will give us 8 multiplied by square root 5 minus the 6 square root 2 minus the 12 square root 35 plus the 9 square root 14. There's nothing more that can be done with that. Sorry, a bit of a dodgy box. That's as simple as it gets, and all of those square roots are surds. They can't be multiplied into a whole number, nor can they be simplified further by having any square roots in them. So that's what we're left with. Let's try another example. Okay, so another one with brackets. So let's say square root 5, and let's open this bracket up. 3 multiplied by square root 6 plus square root 3. So what we have here, we have this multiplier here, so we'll multiply that by the first term, so that will give us, we'll bring the coefficient out first, and then 3 square root 5 square root 6, the multiplication symbol in between all these is implied, and then we have the square root 3 and the square root 5, and then we can use the rule that we are familiar with, open up that square root and put the 5 multiplied by the 6 underneath it, and then we can do the same here. And so we're left with 3 square root 30 plus square root 15. Again, there's nothing more we can do with that. Okay, so that's a couple of examples for you. I'll do one more video with a slightly longer exercise because there's a few more bits to do in it. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and throw any questions in the comment section as well. And I shall see you on the next video. Thank you very much.